Hey, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing how I make my fresh fruit juice. I'm using two types of fruits, mango and pineapple fruit. I have my sieve with me to extract the juice. I have my blender to blend the fruits, a glass of water, and my jar. These are the things that I'm using today to prepare my fresh fruit juice. So let's get started. I'm blending the fruits. Blend and dance. As you are blending, you can dance. Blend and dance. So I'm blending it. After blending, I will start extracting it with my sieve. I'm extracting it with my sieve now. So I'm extracting it. I'm shaking. Shake and dance, shake and dance, shake and dance. As you are shaking, you'll be dancing. I'm extracting the juice from it now. I'm extracting it from it. Voila! My juice is here. It's very refreshing. It's good to prepare your own juice yourself. There's no nonsense added to it. It's very good to prepare your juice yourself sometimes. So let's take a sip. Toast. Yeah, it's very refreshing. Bye bye.